This tutorial is to guide you to create intertwined text or logo. And then the same principle can be used to create anything that you want to intertwine. First of all, open your Photoshop. Then you go to New, Create New. You click on it. There are so many picture size that you can select. You can select the print size. Just for the sake of this tutorial, just go for A4 sheet size, and then the size and everything is there, the resolution, and there's no need changing anything. You can leave it in RGB color, or you can leave it in the CMYK color profile as well. And then the background is white. Just click on Create, then unlock the background of the layer, so that you have layer O. All is set now. Just go and click on your text tool to activate it. Now here the font, and then the font size and everything here is quite okay for me, because I'll be adjusting the text later on. Just type the first letter, and I'm going to use my logo for this tutorial. In other words, the initial words of my name. So type G. You can use any text that you think can intertwine, or you think you can use to create this kind of intertwined logo or text. It's your choice. So for my case, I just type G and I resize it to make it quite big. So this size is okay. Hold down Ctrl and press J twice to duplicate the text layer G, to duplicate it, so you have 3 layers on top of layer O. So you click on the T, and then it will activate the edit menu of the text, so that you can edit it. So in my case, I will just type D. Then the same thing, I will do the same thing to the B, and then the G will be my last letter. I want the G to be in the middle. So in arranging the letters, the G will be the down layer. So all the other layers B and D will be on top of G. So make sure that you resize them nicely and arrange them the way you would like them. So you're looking at it, the text, all the 3 letters are in black, and therefore it's not very visible, but very soon we'll see the difference, and then it will stand out vividly. So go to the FX, so that you can go into your blending options. So under blending options, you go to color overlay, and make sure you have on your middle letter, that is the G, the first layer or the button layer. So this color is okay for me. I would like this color, so just leave it like that. Go to stroke, and then there I have green as well. Then I can leave it just that way, or change it to black. So black in this case will be nice with the first color I selected. Then I'll go for my outer glow, then pick whatever color I want for the outer glow. Then after that, I'll go for inner glow, and then I'll choose whatever color I want for the inner glow. Having done that, just click OK, and then here I click OK again, so that the middle letter, that is the G, the down layer, the down text layer, is now in the color profile or the color I would like. Just hold click on the effects, hold Alt, and then drag it to the next letter, that is B, and you do the same thing to the D to have all the letters having the same color. So in this case, we have a uniform color for all of the letters in the layer panel. Alright, so let's make the G, which is our middle letter, the stroke to be a bit different. So we can choose a color like this, a kind of reddish black, and then after when we are done with it and we are okay with it, click OK. And then change the size from 38 to something maybe 40 will be okay. So we just type 40 in the PX box, the size and the size. So at this point we are moving to the next step, which is very important. You need to convert all of the text layers, the D, B and G, to smart object. Convert them to smart object. It's very important. D, B and G as well. So make sure that your text is well positioned so that you can have the final work looking nice. So now, having converted them to smart objects, we now want to move to another step. You hold down Control and you click on the thumbnail of the letter D, then it will change to this format. You do the same thing to the B. Okay, click on the thumbnail and then you go to the mask icon down there. So the D and then the B will be masked. Then the middle letter, which is G, the down layer, when you click on the thumbnail, after selecting it, all will be selected. You press Ctrl H to hide the selection. Now we are about to make it intertwined. Click on your eraser tool, and then once you click on the letter, it will prompt you for rasterizing the text. You do that and then erase off this area. Okay, the same thing, you erase off. Now you have a very clean intertwined text. So click on the down layer and hold Shift and click on the top layer to group them. You can name the group text. Make sure your work is saved. So go to File, click on Save. Then give the name, type the name of type the file name, so intertwined text or logo. So this first saving, leave it in PSD format in case you want to edit it later. Now we are going to save it again, so we make the layer O gray, then we'll go to Save As, and this time around we leave everything, the file name as it is. Then we'll go to, if we like, we can save it in JPEG format, but this time around we are saving it in PNG format. We are saving it in PNG format so that we can have a transparent background, and then the logo or the text can be used later on in any other work, and when you place it, you have a transparent background and the text will look vivid and clear. So now it is saving. Okay, it's finished saving. Go into where you have saved it. In my case, pictures. This one text or logo. Let's open it and see the final results. So here it is. You see that the other place that we make transparent is looking black, but when you place it on anything, you will have the text or the logo stand out as it is.